Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm at ICAST 2021, where we're looking for the coolest boating accessories and fishing accessories. I'm in the Oz by Scentlok booth right now, and they have developed a brand new cleaning device that is Ozone Charge. Now, Oz has a long track record of providing ozone cleaning equipment. Like these gas chargers here, you can put them in small compartments in your boat. It'll kill mildew, it'll kill bacteria, and it'll stop the smell in there. They've also got a cool little device for your car. Plug it into the cigarette lighter, it'll do the same thing. Or for a small room, plug that into the wall socket. It'll keep your room clean. But here's the product that I think is cool, and it's new. This is an ozone charging cleaning device that makes ozone charged water. You push the button on it, fill it up with tap water. It just fills up like any other spray bottle. Turn it on, and then in 90 seconds, when you spray it on, it'll kill 99.9% of bacteria, mold, and mildew on contact, and even kills viruses. I like the fact that it's got a pressure spray, it holds it on there. It's a super fine mist, completely covers the surface, and you wipe it off, and it's clean, and you're ready to go. The ozone charged water will hold its ozone for up to 30 minutes. The device is rechargeable with a lithium ion battery inside so that you can recharge the water as much as you need to. Oz is part of Scentlok, which is known for its presence in the hunting business. This is a great field spray to cover your scent, eliminate odor in your hunting clothes and your boots as well. I'm Randy Vance at ICAST 2021.